Here it is. This is my KTM 500, which we're gonna do a around the world with. Well, we're doing Sweden to Australia, and then we'll see how far we get from there. We're gonna rebuild these bikes. Mine is completely torn apart. It's actually been part of the Gegen, which is a Swedish enduro race, which some of you might be familiar with. And somehow I chose this bike to do it with. So I have to be really careful go through everything I do with this bike, because it's been through hell and back. As you can maybe see, it's in rough shape. But today, we'll stripping the frame, and then I'll polycoat the frame, and then we'll rebuild it from there. Nothing else that's really of big importance. The engine is completely fine. There's no big issues with the engine. The chassis looks completely, there's some scratches here and there, but nothing that major that will break the thing. Forks are fine. We'll change a lot of things as well. Fork seals, all the bearings will all be changed at some point. Yeah. So let's get to it. What do y'all think? For being an enduro bike, this bike has so much electronics for being an enduro bike. I don't get why we need all this. Yes, we need like, there's the control map, there's a traction control map, but like, Jesus Christ. Do we need all this for like a dirt bike? Is this actually necessary? It feels on this thing. All right, so I will take off everything on the rear and continue it from there. Oh, it's cold. Could I maybe, there we go. I'll actually take these, put this back in, so I don't lose them. It's a weird system they have. Let's see, where are you? There you are. There we go. Could we? Just be. Yeah, fine. There we go. That's actually not a bad system for being KTM. Let's get you up here. Nothing else that's in the way? No? There we go. There we go. It has seen better days, that is for sure. But I think it's just caked on. As you can hear, it's just falling off. So a bit of a polish. Scrape it down a bit with some Scotch-Brite and then polish it. It will be perfectly fine. Oh my God, this is dead. I have to change that thing. Yeah, but it's workable. It's all workable.
some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
Let's see. Yeah, pretty much done today. I got everything off the frame. I got everything off the frame. Cleaned the frame pretty well, I would say. There's still rough spots, but I think that's just in the frame as well. Outside of that, I couldn't get this out for the life of me, and I don't want to buy this damn adapter there is here for to take off the actual, well, the tool to take off the T-hose, because I'm putting a Semco Sport, which just goes straight in. So it's a hose, silicone hose from here all the way up here from to like here, so you can just put it in without having extra tools and stuff. And especially if we're on the road and we have a problem with our hoses, especially like this one, if it starts leaking and we're done. So it's better to get actually the Semco Sport. It's a bit expensive, but I feel it's worth the actual money. I cleaned most of the stuff. The subframe was cleaned beforehand. All the plastics has been taken off. As you saw in the beginning, I already started a bit. Wheels are off, forks, everything looks pretty good. Pretty good shape. It's in used shape, but everything's in good condition. Only thing is the frame has to be powder coated now. After that, the powder coating, then we'll start rebuilding it again. So stay tuned for that. That's gonna be actually very fun. Putting a lot of new parts on there. The radiators are completely scrapped, so that's new radiators, new plastics, new bearings and all this. So this will all be in the video as well. Videos. I don't think it'll fit into one video. And I'll also feature my friend's motorcycle. He has a KTM 500 just like me. So we're doing it, we're two going from Sweden to Australia. So we're doing, starting here in Sweden. We'll go to Denmark, Germany and all this. We'll do the west of Europe. After the west of Europe, we'll start going more east and east. Our plan is not really decided yet due to the Russia, Ukraine, and also Iran. There's also a bit, I've heard good things about Iran, heard bad things about Iran, so we don't know about that yet. We might just go to Turkey and Georgia and up there is Azerbaijan and Azerbaijan over. We'll see. But for now, I have a frame to powder coat, and after that, I think it's pretty easy going. I have to clean. This thing has to be cleaned thoroughly because it's just caked on there. So this will be fun to do at home. Other than that, see you next time.
My appetite, don't leave me here.